Let's close out this module with a recap of the key takeaways. We first covered how product and feature launches have evolved, specifically that with an iterative approach to releasing products and features comes the need for continuous, coordinated launches. Launches might be smaller, but more frequent. Next, we went over the 3 considerations that can help shape your launch strategy: the size of the release, relevance, and desired action. You also learned about the importance of communicating releases both externally and internally, so that teams like sales, customer success, and support know what you're releasing and are equipped to explain new functionality or answer questions from the field. We also dug into different tactics you can leverage to launch features and products incrementally by first targeting smaller subsets of your user base. These include feature flags, letting users opt into trying a new feature, pilot programs, and 1% or 10% test. Next, you learned how you can use data to set launch goals, build segments to target launch communications, and track product usage post-launch. Building on that, we covered 4 product-led tactics for launching new products and features. The first tactic is to bring launch announcements in-app. The second tactic is to target communications to the right users. The third tactic is to indicate the next action users should take. And the fourth tactic is to use product data to measure success. Now let's recap some action items you can take to put these learnings into practice. Think about how you can bring a more iterative approach to your launches. How are you currently releasing products and features? Do you release functionality to a smaller group of users first? If the answer is no, identify an upcoming release that you might want to test these tactics out on. You can also use the exercise in this module to formulate an initial high-level strategy. Similarly, consider how you can leverage data and product-led techniques to further optimize your launches. Do you have the tools you need to do so? Now that you've finished this module, you should be able to develop a launch plan based on the right factors, implement launch tactics that fuel continuous iteration, use data to improve product and feature launches, and apply product-led principles to your launches.